Do you like to save money? If you do, smash the like button, because today I'm going to show you how you can save lots of money on your brakes. You can get completely free brakes for your car. All you have to do is replace them yourself. I got these Duralast Gold brakes, and I'm going to show you today how you can get free brakes brand new. Alright, so I replaced the brakes on the other side of the Escalade. This is the old brake, and here is a brand new brake. All I have to do is bring this old brake back to AutoZone and I'll get my refund. So right now I'm going to replace the brakes on this side, then we'll go to AutoZone and I'll show you the receipt. I'll show you the receipt where I got all my money back, so these were completely free. Alright, now that you have your vehicle supported by your jack stands, all you have to do is take off your wheel, put on the new brake pads. If you need a full tutorial, I have a free tutorial on my YouTube channel. I'll link it below. Alright guys, so let's get started. There you go, and you can use your wheel for a seat when you're doing your brakes. Now that we lifted up the caliper, we can just take out these old brake pads, put the new ones in. Alright, so now you got new brake pads on. We just have to put it back together, put the wheel on, then we'll be good to go. Now what I'm doing here is just pushing the cylinders all the way flat so it's easier to close it up on the brake pads. I usually put a little thread locker on here, not much, just so the bolt will stay in place. Well, that's it for the brakes. Now all we have to do is put the wheel back on and take our old brakes back to AutoZone. Now, once all your bolts are nice and snug, it'll be safe to drive. Just make sure after about 500 miles, check them again, make sure they're still tight. Also, before you drive, I would pump the brakes a couple times just to make sure you have good brake pressure, and you'll be all set. Brand new brakes, free of charge. Now let's go back to AutoZone and bring our receipt, and I'll show you where they refunded my money. Come on. Guys, here's the receipt for my brakes. As you can see, I got brake pads and a rotor. I already replaced the rotor. So let's bring this receipt back and get our money back. Just bringing back these brakes that I replaced.
Oh, the warranty?
Do you need my debit card for it?
Possibly.
Yeah.
You have it with you?
Yep, I have it.
Okay.
You got a good variety, or did you say?
I got everything, yeah.
All right, thank you. And there you go. We got a receipt. As you can see, $45.89. Returned to me. There you go, my friends. Free brakes for life. You'll never have to pay for brakes again. So have a happy new year. Bye.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding.